Hi guys, it's Loves LPS again. I'm making an LPS big girl. Yeah. It's gonna be a very big movie, so yeah. Yeah, here it is. It's Hi, this is my house. My name is Ashley. This is my house. I live in LPSville, 37, Meadow Street, the 5th house on the right. And this is my star. Morning, teddies. Breakfast. Uh-oh. Hope my big sissy's awake. She's really old. Oh, this can't fit on me. Now they got it on. Sissy! Yeah, that was my little sister. I mostly like to have sleep-ins in the morning. That's my little sister there. She's always waking me up and always waking up early. See, wake up. You don't wake up now. I'm going to go tell Daddy. Oh, my bib fell off. Ow! Okay. Daddy! She won't wake up. Well, I can't do anything about it. You do something. Okay. Should I? No, I shouldn't. What else? I don't have to. It's fun! Yeah! Wake up! Kaylee! Get out of my room! Need to get down for breakfast. Let's get ready. Okay. Now, that was pretty bad. Now for me to get ready. Shh. I don't need makeup. I don't think there's special. It's not a special occasion. What clothes do I have? Well, it's just morning. I don't even wear any clothes yet. Ow. Ah! Fish. Jesus. Glad it's still okay. Right, honey? Yeah. Hi, Dad. Hi. Your breakfast is on the table. Okay. Ooh, yum. A bone. No, that's not yours. Yours is a cereal. Cereal? I hate cereal, Dad. Sorry, dear. Up, and that's running. Fish. Okay, come on, honey. Bring in the salad. I'm coming. Here we go. Salad for all of us. I'm gonna say some salad. Oh, hey. Because we're eating our breakfast. Okay, dig in. gonna get some food from the junk food section. Fine. What do we have here? Toasted biscuit sounds delicious. Toasted strawberry sugar biscuit. I get rid of this. Oh my gosh. I really got a fart. Nani? No. Okay, I gotta go to the toilet. Can I have a look with this? Sure. Thank you. Ow! I'm back. That was really quick, I know. Take some. I'll take some too. One. So sweetie, you know that tomorrow is your next birthday? Yeah. Your 19th birthday? Well, we're gonna give you some presents. Cool, Mom. That sounds awesome. Yeah. Hey, would you like the rest of the salad, sweetie? Oh, thank you, Dad. Here, would you like some? Yes, please. Mommy, my room's so messy. I can pits in my room. Yeah, take my bed soon. Yeah, you go get your stuff. Let's get your stuff. Just take this. Perfect. That's gorgeous. And it's all winter. It's winter. Oh. Okay, I have no idea what to do now. I don't know. Oh yeah, just my work stuff. Let's see what stuff.